Hi, Gretchen Yui here. Want to show you how to sign up as a preferred customer or a retail customer for LifeWave. So you're ready to order and you're going to go to the website that your sponsor or the person you want as your distributor has given you, the person that introduced you to the products. So I'm just going to do this as an example because I want to be able to get in and show you how to place an order. So my website, we'll just put at the end, they're all lifewave.com and then / and then usually it's your sponsor's name. You know, in my case, it's Gretchen Yui. So we're going to go into that. And then at that point, the person that's sponsoring you, their name or their company name will pop up here in a yellow box. So check for that to make sure that it matches up. And then you're going to go down and choose your country. And you're going to choose your language and then click submit. Now, again, this tutorial is if you're interested in signing up and purchasing product as a retail customer or a preferred customer. So in these cases, you're going to go under products, and I just like to go under all products and find what I want to purchase. So most people are starting out with our stem cell activating patch, the X39. So we're going to pretend like we're doing that. And there is a current promotion running with that where there's a bundle with X49, but I'm going to click, I'm not interested in that right now. And I'm going to scroll down here on the page that has X39, and I'm going to add that to the cart. Now, here you'll see the regular retail price for that is $149.95, and the preferred customer price is the regular wholesale price that the same price distributors get. It's $99.95. So we're going to click that and say add to cart. Now, here's where you get the option of if you want to continue ordering the product as a retail customer. So that's as a guest, you would hit continue here if you want to do retail and pay full retail price, or if you'd rather do this option, which is very popular, become a preferred customer, there's an enrollment fee of $19.95 to do this. It's a one-time thing. You would not have this as a recurring thing every year. But there are these wonderful benefits that come with this program: wholesale pricing, free samples, that is free samples if you sign up for your first auto ship within the first 30 days of your initial order. If you back out that first initial subscription order to be, further into the future, that program will not be part of what you're getting, but the rest of it will be. There's a loyalty rewards program. This is the most popular part of it, is that you earn 20% back in rewards on every subscription order. So you're actually going to end up, once your subscription orders begin, that next order and subsequent orders, you're going to be getting the product for less than regular wholesale price, less than what distributors are able to get it at. So it's really awesome. And then there are introductory kits. I'll show you that in just a second. That are a really good deal if you're interested in those particular products. They are static. The actual packages are static, so you have to like what comes in them, but they're some of our most popular products. And then there's a free product program where if you share this with 3 or more people, they sign up and they spend in 1 month $300 or more, then you're going to earn $100 that next month in free products. So it's a wonderful program. Again, it gets you wholesale. It gets you better than wholesale price once you're into it and doing the monthly subscription orders. So I'm going to proceed with the preferred customer because signing up as the regular retail price over here with guests, it's similar. But I want to show the preferred customers something else about how this, is going to work. So that X39 has now been added to the cart, and I'm going to go back into all products because I want to add another product. Plus, now that I've said I want to be a preferred customer under all products, these enrollment kits that are static, but they're really good. The pricing, the bigger you get, so it goes bronze, silver, and then gold. The larger the kit, the more efficiency and economical these become. And the first kit is $199.95. You get an X39, a sleeve of Eon, a sleeve of glutathione. Each of these has, each envelope has 30 patches in it. So it's a really good deal. Silver is a really good deal. You get 2 X39, 2 Eon, 1 glutathione for $299.95 or 99. And then the gold is 3 X39, 2 Eon, 1 glutathione, and 1 IceWave. So all that for let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hope I'm reading that right. But yes, it's a lot of product for $399.99. So say you want one of those kits, or you want multiple of those kits. You can actually order as many of these kits as you want, but only on this very first initial order. So I am going to choose the silver kit I really like, and it's a good one for people to start with. That would give you 2 months of X39, 2 months of Eon, and then probably once you've been on glutathione for a month, you may want to try the glutathione, or on X39 for at least a month. Glutathione is nice to introduce to get extra detox. So I'm going to add that to the kit so I can just show you what this looks like. So we're going to add to cart. And now we're going to go up to the actual cart, and I want to show you what we have going on here. So we're going to hit view cart, and you've got 2 things happening here. You have your initial order, and you also are starting to build your auto ship order. So again, that can be booked out, and that's later in the enrollment process, but they're going to ask you, when do you want your first monthly subscription order or auto ship? And you're going to let them know when you want that to happen. But here in this initial order, they have placed the silver introductory kit. Now I could go back up here to products, and I could add another enrollment kit, or I could add another sleeve of patches. So you just keep going back into products to add. The same down here, I can add more products to this auto order. So let's go back here, and we're going to add another product to the auto order. We're going to add an Eon patch. We're going to go to products. We're going to go to, I'll just go under all products again. And then we're going to go down and find the YH Eon, spelled AEON. It takes down inflammation. We're going to add that. So here it's add to cart or add to monthly subscription order. So I want to add it to my monthly subscription. But if I wanted it, just another extra one in my initial order, I would hit here. But I'm going to put it into my monthly subscription order, which is going to be, when I go back and look at my cart, it should be in that second box down. So here we go. I'm going to go back into the cart, view cart, and here we go. We still have the sign up fee, one-time sign up fee. We have the silver introductory kit, and down here, yay, it added to my next subscription order. So we're going to pretend this is what I want. I'm good, and I'm going to click checkout. And so already have a customer or distributor, sign in here, or ready to become a customer or distributor, create a new account here. If you've never ordered before, you need to create an account. So we are going to do that. We're just going to pretend here and put in, Joe Smith, and I'll just leave that and choose that. And we're going to say, this is Joe Smith. This is the username. Everyone gets a replicated website, www.lifewave.com/ and then their username. Usually people use their first and last name, but Joe Smith is really common. So I'm going to use Joe Smith 8910. Okay. And then you would put in an email address here. I'm just going to leave this blank and just tell you how to fill in the rest. And then you include a mobile phone number. And you would actually click if you want to hide that information from any distributor. So maybe you don't want to be contacted by anyone for support. That's fine. You'll just click that. And then, yes, please send me periodic emails about product news, promotions, exciting opportunities. I recommend you check this because LifeWave does come up often with wonderful promotions and sales, and they will give you instructions in these emails. They don't send an email every week. It seems like lately it's just been once a month, but it's not going to bog down your email. They are very considerate about that. Then you're going to create a password. This password needs a capital letter, lowercase letters, at least 6 characters, has to have a number in it as well as a special character. So if you can figure that out, you'll be good. And then it says interested in joining as a distributor instead. So right now we've been ordering as a preferred customer. And some people maybe are like, oh, wait, I think I want to be a distributor. I know I'm going to love these products. I know I'm going to want to share them. So you could click there if you wanted to kind of shift gears. But that's usually not why people get to this point. So referred by another LifeWave customer. Let's click yes and see what happens. Okay, so here the person that hopefully you had their website address like we did initially and put in like just my name after lifewave.com. That's the easy way. You're already in and set with that person. But if you didn't go to that extent from the get-go, you could ask the person that referred you for their ID number. And in that case, you would put that in. And then you would click, I'm not a robot. You would, click the pictures of things they ask you if they're there, and then submit registration. And it's actually on the next page that they're going to ask you at some point when you want your next or your first monthly subscription to drop. And so you'll have to think about that. Keep in mind that as a preferred customer and as a retail customer, you have a 90-day money back guarantee. So oftentimes, so people will save on shipping, they put enough into their initial order that it will cover them for 2, 3, sometimes 4 months. So they have enough product that they, in especially the first 30 or the first 90 days or 3 months, they know whether they're going to continue, keep the product and move forward with this, or if by chance they need to send it back, well, they have that 90-day money back guarantee. So I will leave it at that. The rest of this, on the next page, of course, you're going to be setting that up. I did want to mention that if before your 90-day money back guarantee is up, if you decide that you want to be a distributor, so you just love the product and you want to switch from being a preferred customer to being a distributor, all you have to do is call customer service and tell them what distributor kit you want to purchase and enroll with. And they will take that initial $19.95 that you paid as an enrollment fee as a preferred customer, and they will apply it toward your initial enrollment kit as a distributor. So that's cool. You don't miss out on that money. It goes toward the enrollment kit. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to mention, but I think you have enough of a base here with this tutorial to be able to do this now and do it successfully. So please reach out if you have questions, and thank you for listening. Hope it was helpful.